we're tackling a question that plagues many drivers. Can engine additives really clean your engine? But first, please subscribe to the channel to support the hard work behind each video we provide to you. Thanks. Specifically, we're putting two popular contenders head-to-head. Liqui Moly Pro Line, engineflush, and lucasoil high mileage oil stabilizer. Now, before we get into this sludge-busting brawl, a quick word of caution. Always check your owner's manual. Some additives can mess with certain engines, so consult your car's Bible first. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get ready to rumble. Liqui Moly Pro Line, engineflush. This German powerhouse is an engine flush, meaning you add it to your old oil before an oil change. It promises to loosen and remove sludge buildup, leaving your engine a clean slate for fresh oil. Pros, trusted brand, known for quality products. Relatively gentle on engines compared to some flushes. Easy to use, just add and idle for a short time. Cons, flushes can dislodge large chunks of sludge, potentially causing blockage. Not a replacement for regular oil changes. Lucasoil high mileage oil stabilizer. This contender is an oil additive designed to stay in your engine with your fresh oil. It targets older engines, promising to reduce leaks and thicken oil for better performance. Pros, great for high-mileage vehicles prone to leaks and worn seals. Can potentially improve oil film strength, easy to add during oil changes. Cons, not specifically designed for cleaning sludge buildup. Thicker oil may not be suitable for all engines. Check your manual. Here's the truth. There's no single best additive. It depends on your engine's needs. For cleaning sludge, Liqui Moly might be a good option as a pre-oil change flush, but use it with caution, especially in older engines. For high-mileage engines, lucasoil can be a great preventative measure to reduce leaks and maintain performance. Remember, regular oil changes are still king. Think of additives as a supporting character, not the hero. Links are in the description box below. So, which contender would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've used either of these products, share your experiences. Did they work for you? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care throwdowns. Until next time, keep your engines clean and your rides happy.